Hello, my name is Jose Perez de Corcho. It is my pleasure to introduce to you Blackwater Holding Systems Bioma, a company specialized in the design and installation of wastewater treatment systems for industrial and residential applications. We are based in Miami, Florida, and have offices in Costa Rica, Colombia, Puerto Rico, and Panama. Our system is based on the use of innovative hydraulic solutions, to which we add specific eco-friendly microorganisms designed to accelerate the natural processes that return stability to the ecosystem. We stand out from others because we provide complete solutions to environmental problems caused by our society. We eliminate odors. We improve the quality of the effluents. We eliminate the use of harmful chemicals, and we recover wastelands. By eliminating odors, we avoid the presence of mosquitoes, roaches, and varmint, promoting a clean, healthier, and safer environment. We eliminate the use of harmful chemicals and chlorine, presently used in traditional treatment processes, thereby protecting the health and well-being of plant visitors and employees. With our advanced biotechnology, the resulting effluent does not have a negative effect on the ecosystems at the receiving end. We recover wasteland by using the resulting effluent in drip irrigation systems. In addition to the environmental benefits, our systems also generate economic benefits. You save money 3 ways. Our systems are passive, so you use no electricity. Sludge is removed only once every 5 years, and that sludge can be used as a natural fertilizer. And number 3, our system is self-sustaining through time.